Welcome to our Wednesday Snippet. Kamusta? Naway nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. We are here for another episode and our topic for today is about choosing your company. Pag-uusapan natin dito ang mga bagay na kailangan natin sa alang-alang sa pagpili ng ating magiging kaibigan.
According to Tennis Williams, life is partly what we make it and partly what is made by the friends we choose. Kaya napakahalaga ang pagpili sa ating mga kaibigan dahil napakahalaga ng tungkulin nila sa ating buhay.
So here are some reminders when choosing your friend. Number 1, choose carefully, process them. Proverbs chapter 12 verse 26 says that the righteous choose their friends carefully, but the way of the wicked leads them astray. This verse reminds us that not all friendships are beneficial. As a youth, you might feel pressured to fit in or be liked by everyone. But remember, the true friends should uplift and support you. Take time to evaluate who you spend your time with. Keep this question in your mind. Are they encouraging me to make good choices? Do they share my values? Choosing friends who align with your beliefs and values will help you stay in the right path and avoid negative influences. Sobrang saya na magkaroon ng maraming kaibigan. Ngunit mas higit na masaya ang magkaroon ng mga kaibigan, totoo at pagkakatiwalaan.
Number 2, choose the level-headed for them in our matters. Proverbs chapter 22 verse 24 to 25. Do not make friends with a hot-tempered person. Do not associate with one easily angered, or you may learn their ways and get yourself ensnared. This means that if your friends easily get angry or have a short temper, their action can influence you. It might impact the way you deal and handle situations, especially those that require patience and temperance. Instead, look for those who are kind, patient, and understanding. Good friends will encourage you to grow and to become the best version of yourself.
Number 3, choose integrity for character matters. 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 33 says, do not be misled. Bad company corrupts good character. Essentially means that spending time with people who have negative influences will negatively impact your values, morals, and behavior. It is essential to surround ourselves with people who will uplift and inspire us, rather than those who drag us down. Additional reminder from Bible is to walk with the wise and become wise. Associate with fools and get in trouble. Para maingatan ang iyong integridad, paligiran mo ang iyong sarili ng mga taong punong-puno ng integridad.
Number 4, choose friends that will deepen your relationship with God. One great example of this was the friendship of David and Jonathan. Their bond was characterized by mutual respect where they admire each other's characters and abilities. Loyalty for their commitment to each other was unwavering. Shared faith for both of them were devoted to God and supported each other's spiritual growth. Their friendship served as a source of strength and encouragement for both of them, helping them to remain faithful to God even in difficult times. Wala nang masasarap pa sa pakiramdam na magkaroon ng kaibigan kaya kang ipanalangin sa mga oras na hirap kang harapin ang mga bagay na hindi mo maintindihan.
In conclusion, remember that friendship should enhance your life journey rather than hinder it. Surround yourself with people who will inspire you to be better each and every day.
Sa iyong pakikipagkaibigan, piliin mo rin maging ganitong kaibigan sa kanila.
And that's it for our Wednesday Snippet. See you next Wednesday.
Bye-bye!